Yo guys, so welcome back again to the video, and today I basically got commissions from Simon. He's the creator of SharkBite, SharkBite Classic and SharkBite 2. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you. I'll help explain what I did and what not. But yeah, obviously when I have to start with importing the models that Simon gave me. So boat available, and then I have like a very big shark. It's called Megalodon. So I placed it at first. I originally placed it with the intention to in the size of jaw, and I have to remove like some parts of the boat because it's blocking the characters. It doesn't have to be accurate all the time. You just have to work for the graphics. All right, so I have to play with the lighting. Obviously you have to start with the dark lighting to give the atmosphere, and then you use, so it wasn't originally like jaw, and then I have to adjust the shark so that it fits better of the thumbnail side, because like there's a bunch of space left on the left and right, and it doesn't make sense. So I tried playing around with that and added some lighting on the boat. So yeah, as a reflection as well, you need, because imagine a water is gonna reflect the light, so you have to consider that. And I try playing around with colors. Here I try adding some lights here and there, so it gives a better pop, in a sense. So after I finish rendered, I have to fix some textures issues a little bit, because there's like some texture that's going on. Yeah, after I finish that, I try basically readjusting the composition so it fits better. Now I got some pictures, and then try to readjust the pictures, put some pictures, recompose it so it fits the images that I have in my mind. I readjust the shark and add some skies. Also fix the exposure of the characters. Edit the boat to be on the water. Yeah, just readjust everything. Change up some lighting, add some more textures, add some shadows on the shark, add some gradient, some lights, so it gives a cinematic vibe. So the shark now seems to be underwater, so it's not looks like too much of a Photoshop. I add some lighting again on the water by using under ocean images, and then just put the stuff around and see. Here's the breakdown of render real quick. So add some exposure on the skies, add some flare on the sky as well, add some reflections of the boat so it looks more realistic. We give that sense of what I'm trying to achieve. And this, obviously the water is gonna be very, very dull, so I add some sort of like the whitish, where when you like move very fast in the water, like shark is about to come up, so it adds more dynamic to the picture. Yeah, so I added that as sort of like a subtle texture at the back, so there's like subtle details again with the shark teeth as well. So yeah, that's that. Basically convert everything, and here's the final result.